Right. I saw the Weave Buddy just in looking for someone that could do someone with alopecia, and didn't think any more about it. Was kind of concerned because I wasn't sure about the piece that went on your head.
Right.
And then I saw Miss Wanda's advertisement and thought, well, let's try this because I was always looking for something, and this feels wonderful. I mean, I love it. Absolutely.
Thank you so much. Okay, so how are you feeling about the install?
The Weave Buddy install feels light, comfortable, no tightness. It feels like your natural hair.